For this project, our goal was to transform an aging entry into a more stable and accessible space. Our client needed a safer approach to the house, especially for a new ADA unit, and wanted to maintain the warm, inviting feel of the original brick. So we designed a custom solution, a tumbled clay paver walkway and a retaining wall that balances function with curb appeal. Everything was designed in-house with the direct input from the homeowner. We started by removing the old uneven brick path and clearing space around a well-established wisteria that the homeowner wanted to protect. For the walkway, we chose Pioneer-used Roman clay pavers from Mutual Materials in Woodinville. Warm, durable, and a perfect match for the home's brick siding. For the wall, we chose Belgard Diamond 10D blocks from Simply Rocks in Snohomish.
Aquí. Voy para allá. Hay que ponerle grava. Y la arena aquí también porque... más grava.
By blending smart design, careful execution, and a respect for the original character of the home, this entryway is now safer, stronger, and built to last by the Northwest Gardener, helping bring your vision to life since 1984.